Have you ever wondered how your body works? It's a question that has fascinated humans for centuries. Our bodies are incredibly complex, yet they function so seamlessly that we often take them for granted. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to sleep, countless processes are happening inside us, keeping us alive and well. It's a complex and fascinating machine. Imagine the body as a highly sophisticated piece of machinery, with each part playing a crucial role. Just like a well-oiled machine, our bodies require all components to work in unison to function properly. Each part has a specific job. The heart pumps blood, the lungs facilitate breathing, the brain processes information, and the muscles enable movement. Every organ and tissue has a unique function that contributes to our overall health and well-being. These parts work together in perfect harmony. The circulatory system, respiratory system, nervous system, and muscular system are all interconnected, creating a symphony of biological processes that sustain life. When one system falters, others compensate to maintain balance. This allows us to breathe, move, think, and experience the world around us. Our senses, sight, hearing, taste, touch, and smell, provide us with vital information about our environment, enabling us to interact with and adapt to our surroundings. Anatomy and physiology are two fields that help us understand this incredible machine. Anatomy focuses on the structure of the body, while physiology delves into the functions of these structures. Together, they offer a comprehensive understanding of how our bodies operate. They are like two sides of the same coin. You can't fully understand one without the other. Knowing the structure of an organ is important, but understanding how it works is equally crucial. Anatomy is the study of the body's structures, from the smallest cells to the largest organs. It involves examining the physical aspects of the body, such as bones, muscles, and organs, and understanding their relationships and organization. Physiology explores how these structures function and interact. It looks at the chemical and physical processes that occur within the body, explaining how organs and systems work together to maintain life. Imagine you receive a new gadget. You're curious about how it works and what it can do. You start by examining its design and structure. You want to know how it's built and what each button does. This is similar to studying anatomy, where you learn about the different parts of the body and their locations. Anatomy is like looking at the gadget's blueprint. It provides a detailed map of the body's structures, helping us understand where everything is and how it's connected. Physiology is like reading the instruction manual. It explains how the gadget works, what each part does, and how they all function together. Similarly, physiology helps us understand the body's processes and how its parts work in harmony. Together, anatomy and physiology provide a complete picture of the human body. They allow us to see the intricate details of our physical form and understand the dynamic processes that keep us alive. They help us understand how our bodies work, why we get sick, and how we can stay healthy. By studying these fields, we gain valuable insights into maintaining our health and preventing disease, ultimately improving our quality of life. Anatomy is like exploring a vast and intricate map. This map details every structure within us. It's the study of the body's physical form. This includes the arrangement of its parts. Think of a car. Its anatomy includes the engine, wheels, chassis, and seats. We study where these parts are located. We also study how they connect to each other. In the human body, anatomy looks at bones, muscles, organs, tissues, and cells. It explores the relationships between these structures. For example, it explains how muscles attach to bones to enable movement. It also explains how the heart is connected to blood vessels to allow blood circulation. By understanding anatomy, we gain a fundamental understanding of the body's organization. This knowledge is crucial for anyone interested in a career in healthcare, sports science, or simply understanding their own body. Anatomy is a broad field. It encompasses various subdivisions, each with its own unique focus and methodology. These subdivisions allow us to delve deeper into the intricate details of the human body, providing a comprehensive understanding of its structure and function. Each subdivision focuses on specific aspects of the body's structure, offering a unique lens through which we can study and appreciate the complexity of human anatomy. Let's explore a few of these specialized views in more detail. Gross anatomy. This branch focuses on structures visible to the naked eye. It involves the study of organs, muscles, and bones that can be seen without the aid of a microscope. Imagine dissecting a body and studying its organs, muscles, and bones in detail. This hands-on approach provides a tangible understanding of the body's macroscopic structures. That's gross anatomy in action. It forms the foundation for understanding the larger structures of the body and how they interconnect. Microscopic anatomy. This branch delves into the microscopic world of cells and tissues. It requires the use of microscopes to study the intricate details that are not visible to the naked eye. Think of examining a blood sample under a microscope to identify different blood cell types. This detailed analysis helps us understand the cellular and tissue-level organization of the body. Developmental anatomy. This branch examines how the body changes throughout its lifespan, from a single fertilized egg to a fully developed adult. It includes the study of embryology, which focuses on the development of the embryo and fetus. Think of tracking the growth of a fetus in the womb through various stages of pregnancy. This study provides insights into the complex processes that drive human development. Surface anatomy. This branch explores the external features of the body, the landmarks we can see and feel. It involves the study of the body's surface in relation to deeper structures. Think of locating a pulse by feeling the artery near the skin's surface. This practical approach helps in understanding the relationship between external landmarks and internal structures. These subdivisions highlight the depth and breadth of anatomical study. Each branch offers a unique perspective, allowing us to explore the human body from different angles and levels of detail. They allow us to examine the body from different perspectives, providing a holistic understanding of its structure and function. By integrating knowledge from these various branches, we can appreciate the complexity and beauty of the human body. This leads to a comprehensive understanding of its structure, enabling us to apply this knowledge in fields such as medicine, research, and education. The study of anatomy is not just about learning the parts of the body, but about understanding how these parts work together to sustain life. Section 4. Physiology: Unraveling the Symphony of Functions. Physiology is the study of how the body's parts work. It's like figuring out the intricate mechanisms of a clock. Imagine your heart beating. Physiology explains how the heart muscles contract. It also explains how electrical signals control the heart rate. Physiology explores the chemical reactions within our cells. It also explores the interactions between different organs. It helps us understand how we breathe, digest food, and maintain a stable internal environment. For example, physiology explains how the digestive system breaks down food into nutrients. It also explains how the respiratory system takes in oxygen and releases carbon dioxide. By understanding physiology, we gain insights into the dynamic processes that keep us alive and functioning. Section 5. The importance of anatomy and physiology. Knowledge is power. Why are anatomy and physiology important? These two fields form the cornerstone of our understanding of the human body. They provide us with a detailed map of our physical structure and the intricate processes that keep us alive. Without this knowledge, we would be navigating our health and wellness in the dark. Why should we care about how our bodies are structured and how they function? The answer lies in the empowerment that comes with knowledge. When we understand our bodies, we can make informed decisions about our health, recognize early signs of illness, and take proactive steps to maintain our well-being. The answer is simple: knowledge is power. This power translates into better health outcomes, improved quality of life, and a deeper appreciation for the marvel that is the human body. Understanding our bodies empowers us in countless ways. It allows us to engage in meaningful conversations with healthcare providers, advocate for our health needs, and make lifestyle choices that enhance our physical and mental well-being. For healthcare professionals, anatomy and physiology are the foundation of their practice. These subjects are integral to diagnosing illnesses, developing treatment plans, and performing medical procedures with precision and confidence. Imagine a doctor diagnosing a patient. They need to know the location of organs and how they normally function to identify what's wrong. This knowledge enables them to pinpoint issues accurately and provide effective treatments. They need to know the location of organs and how they normally function to identify what's wrong. This understanding is crucial not only for diagnosing diseases, but also for performing surgeries and other medical interventions safely. These subjects are also crucial for athletes, trainers, and anyone interested in fitness. Knowledge of anatomy and physiology helps optimize training regimens, improve performance, and prevent injuries by understanding the mechanics of movement and the limits of the human body. Understanding how muscles work helps optimize training regimens and prevent injuries. It allows athletes to push their limits safely and achieve peak performance while minimizing the risk of harm. Even in our daily lives, this knowledge is beneficial. It informs our choices about diet, exercise, and lifestyle, helping us to live healthier and more fulfilling lives. Knowing how our bodies respond to stress, lack of sleep, or a poor diet can motivate us to make healthier choices. This awareness can lead to better stress management, improved sleep hygiene, and more balanced nutrition. Ultimately, anatomy and physiology deepen our understanding of ourselves and the world around us. They provide a framework for self-awareness and personal growth, allowing us to appreciate the complexity and resilience of the human body. They remind us of the incredible complexity and beauty of life. By studying these subjects, we gain a greater appreciation for the intricate systems that sustain us and the delicate balance required to maintain health and vitality. Section 6. Navigating the body anatomical terms for positions. Imagine trying to describe a point on a map without using coordinates. It would be confusing, right? The same applies to describing the human body. We need a standardized set of terms to communicate effectively. Anatomical terms provide a common language for describing the body and its movements. Let's start with anatomical positions. Anatomical position. Imagine a person standing upright, facing forward, with their arms at their sides and palms facing forward. This is the standard reference point in anatomy. Supine position. This describes a person lying on their back, face up. Think of getting an X-ray while lying flat on your back. Prone position. This describes a person lying face down. Imagine getting a massage while lying on your stomach. These positions provide a clear starting point for describing locations and movements.